No, this way. I'm just kidding, it's this way. You sausage. Welcome to another one, folks. Oh, that was easy. Let's see what we can design. Let me think, let me think. I'm not going anywhere. Easy. Woo! That's one way to warm up. Yeah. Take that. Woo! That'll do the trick. Woo! You know, they fit so tightly. There's very little gaps to fill. That was a close one. Just like that. From wobbly to secure. Woo! I made you a bed. Lie down. In your bed. In your bed. Oh no, it's soaking wet. Back to flip. There you go. Good boy, sit down there. Lie down. Good boy. Didn't even realise it was raining. I'm having so much fun. Yeah, you're not enjoying the rain, buddy? You're not the only one. I don't think my camera's enjoying the rain either. Oh. I think we'll have to take a time out till that rain stops. Day 2, folks. It's finally stopped raining. Let's hope it stays that way. Come on, we're going to the river, bud. Whoa. Oh yeah, and we're going Goji Cam. Hey, bud. Good job. It's about the size we need. He can't get what he wants. He's getting frustrated. Right, I think we should light a fire in here. Get it drying out quick before it collapses, which is a real possibility. Right, dry firewood. That could be a challenge. Come on, fire light. I think this is the first trip of the season where I've actually been cold. Winter is just around the corner. Oh yeah, very nice. Oh, lovely. Yes. What? Let it go. It's gonna go. was the only one we had. Good draft in the chimney. Oh no, it's ruined. Hopefully the wind doesn't take that away. Oh look. I only had one. Alright. Let's get this done quick. Well, there goes plan B. Alright. Okay, on to plan C. Yes, I have a plan C. We're gonna have to bump the roof ahead of schedule. This is Rush. We're recycling this from our last project because it actually, where it grows is about a half a kilometre away, so it's a long walk, and I like to recycle. Even the clay was recycled as well. That'll secure anything from blowing away. There we go, thatch roof. And I promise you that'll be waterproof. Here comes the rain again. Lovely. Halfway there. Whew. Let's get some moss and test it out. Right away, I see some moss over there. But I've always had my doubts about moss being waterproof. And if it keeps raining, we'll find out. Yeah. Right, let's get some lights. I think Paddy and Goji deserve a feed. That was a lot of work. Fantastic. Yeah, I know. It's gonna be harder now with you sitting there, buddy. You're right in front of the camera. Get down there, you sausage. He's not stupid. He knows what this means. I mean, we're nowhere near finished, but wow, the difference it makes. That breeze is gone. Fabulous. You're a wally, get out of it. You're just gonna have to wait. Oh yeah. Look at them big bad boys. Get in there. And you gotta have sauerkraut with your hot dogs. And I forgot my ketchup. Never mind. Oh yes, look at that goji. How's that look? Good? Mmm. Especially goji sized one. Want your hot dog? You want it? Good boy. Go. Go on, bite. Yum, 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 yum. You don't choke yourself, silly. Take a bite. Good boy. I did, careful now. That was close. Oh, look at that. Number 2 hot dog. Stop trying to take the biggest bite you can. Just take little bites. I'm afraid you're going to lose a finger. You happy now? No, you always want more, don't you? Get out of it. You just say 3 hot dogs. Get. Go catch a mouse. Ooh. I think we'll do some inside jobs for a while. We're a little bit wet. Woo. That's a good way to warm up. Well, that on a toasty warm fire. I'm proud of that little fireplace. Even though it's not finished, it still draws perfect. No smoke inside. I think we'll leave it at that for tonight. Hi there, buddy. Go back to the clay bank, making a withdrawal. Oh, don't pull me back in the river. Oh no, Kermit, you're falling down. Hello again. Let's hope one trip is enough, because it's a long walk. Doesn't bother you, does it? Let's go. That's my measuring piece. There we got some lovely bricks. I hear trouble. He's back. Come on, in here. Sit down there. Told you he makes his own doors. Ooh, it's getting windy out there. And we're just gonna put a happy little line just right there. Now, doesn't that look very happy? What's that guy's name? Bob something. Bob Ross maybe? Legend. Let's fix that one. Oh yeah, that will do. Oh yeah, that's good, that's it. It's as level as we're gonna get it. Ooh. Bed springs. Kind of. That'll work. Yeah. Oh, would you look at that? He's waggling his tail. I know what you're thinking. Don't even dream about it. I keep that out of the way. I don't fancy a wet bed. Looks like we're walking in the dark again. We gotta close off this wall. Go away, Ren. And I can officially tell you the moss roof is dripping on this side. Bone dry. I'm looking forward to this. That's well deserved. Don't judge me. What did you hear? Your favourite sound? Did I hear cake? And there you go. Hang on. Part 2. Cheers everyone. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hype. Please. Do you know what? I'm not cooking yours, so you can have yours. And that's how you make it last longer. Aha! I've been doing it wrong all this time. No more plates for you. You're eating it out of pot. Good boy. Yeah. Stupid lid. I've had a bit of a cold the past few days. I can't shake. So a Guinness and a hot whiskey. That should solve it. Don't drink that, you burn yourself silly. And as you can see, Goji is still eating his cake. We've cracked it, yes. Oh, it's hot. Ah, and delicious. Can anyone guess what Goji's thinking right now? And no plates to clean, yay! Time for medicine. Oh, wow, that tastes so much better. Sorry, Guinness. Oh, that warms you. That's it for the night, buddy. That's your bed. Good boy. You're gonna do your thing when I try and zip this bag up. Yep, here we go. Can I come in? Can I come in? Can I come in? No. You cannot come into my bed. No way. Oh, there. How romantic, Goji. Just me and you, sitting by the fire. We had a few leaks last night. We got a little bit wet. And Goji wasn't happy, so we had to put a bit of a door up. Goji, show everyone your door. Go on, out you go. There you go. That kept the breeze out. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you all next Friday. We're gonna pack up here.